Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to basically be talking through my experience with Glasses Direct. I for about a year and a half now have ordered glasses online, so I have prescription glasses. My eyesight is just awful. I buy my prescription glasses from Glasses Direct. It's literally so easy. And I've also got some sunglasses as well, so you can get you can pick your frame and then get your tinted glasses, but I'll talk about that later on in the video. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to our channel, please like this video and comment below any suggestions you want to see from us in the future, or if you just want to show us some love, that'd be great. If you want to see how I order glasses online, then please keep watching. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is talk you through how I order them, sort of like the online process, and then I'll talk you through what I think of the glasses and what I think of the customer service and everything. I will first talk you through, I've got my phone here, it's super easy. I will screen record this so you can see what I'm doing. So basically here I am on the website. Glasses Direct literally constantly do offers. I don't think I've ever paid full price for a pair of glasses. I think I've always had an offer on them. So the offer that I always go for is the 2-for-1. So if you go to the little menu at the side and you go to special offers, so they've got £9 frames, which is ridiculous, 2-for-1 from £49 and 2-for-1 from £69. So these glasses that I've got here are London Retro, and that's my favourite glasses brand ever. They do really like cool frames. These are quite like modern, so I always go for the 2-for-1, £69. You can also do a free home trial as well. So you can try up to 4 frames and you basically order them for free. You can try them for 7 days. So they'll send you the frames so you can make sure that they fit your face, and then you just need to send them back and then you can order your frame. So yeah, that's really, really easy. They basically just come in a little trial box. You can try them on and then you just send them back, and then you know which ones fit your face. So students also get 50% off. So what I usually do is you can get the 50% off on top of the 2-for-1. So I usually do the 2-for-1 from £69 and I get 50% off. So that's literally insane. So you can basically go on special offers. You can go 2-for-1 from £49, 2-for-1 from £69. So if you just click on them, you can basically just scroll through and choose what sort of glasses you would like. Here's London Retro. So obviously it's from £69. So London Retro are usually £89. So yeah, let's say I wanted these ones, which are Randolph. I think I've got these. I actually do have a pair of these. These are really nice. Like I said, these are quite like cool frames. They're quite like modern shapes. So yeah, what you do is you can basically look through this 43 reviews you can look through, which are all quite good. You've got a choice between a few colours there. You've got a model trying them on. What they used to do is basically you could take a picture of yourself and you could try the glasses on online, if you know what I mean. That used to be quite cool, but I don't think they do that anymore, but it was always quite handy. So yeah, but what you basically would do, you can either add to home trial or select your lenses. So if you select your lenses, oh, they're out of stock, lols. So yeah, if you go for the black ones, and then if you just select your lenses like that, and then it'll come up with how will you use your glasses. So for me, I use it for distance, but if you use it for reading, computer, blah, 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 you can use that. So I would just click distance, and then it will ask you if you would like digital protection on them. So I think that's when they're like the blue light glasses. If you want them as sunglasses, which I have done. So having them as sunglasses is only an extra £10, and I think that's really good. I think it's really handy to have a pair of sunglasses that are prescription as well, so you can see when it's sunny, so it's nice for the summer. Or you can have light adaptive ones. So I usually go for the clear, so that's just normal. And then it'll come up with if you want some sort of package. I don't really know what any of this is. I usually don't go for any of this, so I will just continue with basic lenses. And then it'll say, do you want to upgrade? But I always say no thank you. Then what you do is you enter your prescription. So usually when you go to the opticians, you will be given your prescription. So you basically just need to enter your new prescription and you just put it all in there. And once you've put your prescription in, you can save it so that you don't need to put it in again, and you can literally just pop onto Glasses Direct and select the prescription that you've saved, and then you can order them straight away. So yeah, that's really super easy. So yeah, so they're £89, and then you would choose your free second pair. So then you get that, so that's completely free, another second pair. And then you can either get, or you can get 20% off your order, but I would, if I were you, go for the second pair because it's better. And then if you're a student, so you just go on, I'm pretty sure you can just go on uni days. Let's have a look. Yeah, if you just go to type in Glasses Direct, and the offer is 50% off 2-for-1 frames. So that's so good. If I were to buy these right now, it would obviously be £89 for both of them, but then I would get 50% off the 2 for 1, so it would be like £45 for 2 pairs of glasses. And they are so nice as well. So yeah, that's basically how you would order them online. So the lead time on them is usually around a week and a half, I would say. So they obviously need to make the glasses, put your prescription and everything. So yeah, I would say usually a week and a half I receive them. The glasses are great. So these are the London Retro. They're the Azalea ones. Azalea? I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't know, you can see, but these are the Azalea ones. I really like them. I feel like this is like a trending sort of shape at the moment. And then I also have them in sunglasses, which I think are great because when you're driving and it's really sunny, I think it's great to have a pair of sunglasses that are prescription so you can actually see as well. The glasses are great, really good quality. Obviously the arms are quite thin, so they're quite delicate. But yeah, they're great. I think I've ordered from Glasses Direct probably like 4 times now over the course of like a year and a half, 2 years. And yeah, I've never had a problem with them ever. So I will definitely continue to buy glasses from Glasses Direct. Hopefully this video was really helpful. If you have any questions at all about Glasses Direct, please just comment below and I will be sure to answer them straight away. But I would 100% recommend them. The online order is so easy and the glasses are really great quality. They have so many brands on there. I think they have like Prada, Ray-Ban. They have loads of like designer brands as well. So if you don't want them, you can obviously get some designer, or you can go the cheap end because they do some really affordable ones. But yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you haven't already, again, please just subscribe to our channel. Please like this video and comment below any questions or anything like that. But yeah, we will see you on Sunday for our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.